You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
We are pleased to show you the 2020 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, stability control, power liftgate, traction control, air conditioning, panoramic sunroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels. Come see the car for yourself.